I'm Eric, Customer Success Manager here at Anker Liver, and today I'm going to show you a very cool workflow where you use the validation result inside your Revit model to fix and to look at the objects that are not passing the validation. So if you look at my screen now, I have a validation about doors. I'm validating a few properties, have some filters on it. If I go to the result, it looks like this. I have a lot of doors that have the correct value, but you see, I also have a few errors. So this one is acoustic class, and I'm missing 88 doors, or I have 88 doors that are missing this requirement. Then you can actually go to Revit. If you're using Revit, of course, you can click on the validation button in our Revit plugin, and this will open the exact same UI that you see in our web application. Then if I go down and I click on this acoustic class, then you see these 88 elements or doors that are red. I click on the row with 88, and you see here in Revit, those 88 elements are being highlighted. And by that, you can either isolate them, you can go inside here and write the correct value if you want, or you can, look at them. Maybe you have some types that have one value and some types that have another value, so you can easily interact with your elements. Thank you.